There's one small mistake almost everyone makes with AI every single day. It costs you money and it costs you time. And the fix takes about 10 seconds. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. The mistake isn't the tool you use or the words you type. It's what you do the moment AI gives you an answer. Let's break it down. Here it is. You ask AI one question, you take the first answer it gives, and you move on. That's it. That's the mistake. Because AI's first answer is almost never its best one. It's the safe, generic, middle-of-the-road reply. The one that's fine, but rarely the smartest or the cheapest. Ask it for the best laptop, and it names a popular, pricey one. Ask how to fix something, and it gives the obvious route, not the clever, cheaper one. You're leaving better options on the table. So here's the 10-second fix in 4 small moves. First, ask for options. Just say, give me 3 cheaper alternatives, and explain the trade-offs. Second, give it your real situation, your budget, your constraints, what you actually care about. Generic question in, generic answer out. Third, make it check itself. Ask, what's the weakest part of this answer, and what would an expert change? It'll often catch its own mistakes. Fourth, push back. If something feels off, say so. AI doesn't get offended, and it'll usually give you a sharper answer the second time. Do that, and the same free AI you already use suddenly gives you tailored, cheaper, genuinely better answers. For real decisions, that's real money saved. Think of the first answer as a rough draft, never the final one. The real value is in the follow-up, and almost nobody bothers. Quick win. Next time AI answers a question that involves money, reply with just 5 words. Now give me cheaper options. Watch what happens. One small habit, better results every time. If this was useful, follow AI Edge Lab. We help you get more out of AI for your money and your time. See you in the next one.